Hey, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I would like to discuss with you about ATI restoration. But before we get into that, I do want to talk about the three different ways on how you could be found on Google. So with that, let's get started. So the first way how you could be found is the sponsored area, which is up here. That's one of the first ways you could be found up here. And usually how you can do that is Google Ads is how you get up here. So the second way in how you can be found is the Google Map Pack area. These guys have the top 3 slots. This is where you want to be. 30% of your business will be acquired through here. And in order to get up here and obtain this position, you have to be um, up to date with citations as well as 100% on your Google business profile. The third way in how you can be found is these 3 organics up here. It looks like you hold the second slot for water damage restoration San Jose. Ideally, you would like to acquire this top spot up here. Yelp is taking and dominating this area. So in order to achieve that, these guys right here are pushing at a national level. So what you do want to focus on is like if you do want to target this area and hold the top slot, then you'd have to essentially um, do what they're doing and then some. So you have to really boost your business locally and push it up here. So in a nutshell, that's kind of the 3 different ways how you can be found. So let's take a quick look at your website. ATI, I really like your logo up here. I like how you have these drop downs here. Let's take a quick peek down here. Alright, so you do have some content. I do not see any keywords embedded in your homepage here, so it doesn't look like you have any. Just take a quick look down, scroll down, scroll down. I really like on how you have the pictures of your employees. That's really, really respectable. Take a quick look down. Okay. So you have all these clickables down here. And what Google really looks for in the content section of your website is content. And all that Google really wants is about between 1,500 and 2,000 keywords of content. From the looks of it here, it looks like you got maybe 500 words of content, if that. And you also want current keywords embedded inside of your website on the homepage alone. So, excuse me. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at Yelp. So Yelp, I mean, they're basically a franchise that lists a bunch of businesses in their homepage, so they're kind of just pushing at a national level. So that's kind of why this is kind of what their website looks like. So they just have different sponsored results and everything else. So there's not really much to say about content for Yelp, but that's the reason why they're pushing power there in your area is because they're trying to push national. So let's take a quick look. So with content, that's about it as far as your content goes. So let's take a quick look at your keywords and backlinks. So this tool right here, Ahrefs, will allow us to do that. It'll allow us to look and see what Google sees. So you have a pretty high power and trust up here. That's what's making you, that's what putting you in the second position. You have 8.8K backlinks, 922 referrings, 8.6 organic keywords going through, which brings you a whopping 8.7K organic traffic. So that's pretty impressive. You're doing very well for yourself already, as you can see here. So let's continue to take a look at the keywords that you're using. You have 7,288 keywords. This is the volume that it's bringing in for each of these. These are the keywords that you're using. So, and these are all the URLs tied to them. So you want to make sure, and it says right here, ATI restoration. So that's, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what backlinks and keywords entail. So with that, let's take a quick look at what Yelp's doing. So this is the power of Yelp right here that they're holding the position. Excuse me, they have 36.5, and this is have you made this is at a national level. So this is why they're pushing this much organic traffic. So let's not get that confused. This does not mean that you cannot beat Yelp. So don't let that scare you with these numbers because they're pretty high up there, but this is at a national scale. So along with their 202 million organics. So with that, not all backlinks are created equal, but in a nutshell, you kind of want to have your website. It's just basically like your ATM. If you do want that top slot, we could definitely get that built out for you. So with that, that's pretty much wraps up on what I have for you today. Let's take a quick recap on how you could be found, of course. So you have these sponsoreds up here on how you can be found using Google Ads. Like we discussed earlier, you have your Google Business Profile up here. 30% of your business you can get from here. The water damage experts are dominating up here, as well as ServPro and H&L Restoration are dominating up here. So we just got to use citations and beat them. Like I said, Yelp is dominating the organic section. You are in the second position of water damage restoration San Jose. Excuse me. So yeah, like if you were to type in, let's just say mold damage restoration San Jose, you can take a quick look, and Angie's is at the top here. So Restoration Master Finder, you are also on the second position here as well. So there's different ways on how you could land up here above Angie. So Angie's dominating there. Let's type in water once again. Type in water damage. Yelp is dominating up here. So that's about all I have for you. If you happen to need a guide to kind of help you push past these national level companies, feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach my email, joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. I'm very grateful to have made this video today. Hope to hear from you. If you happen to need a guide in any of it, feel free to call me anytime. And with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and thank you for your time. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.